In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background image on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear a background image so your page shows a solid color or whatever design is behind it, keeping your layout intact. First, make sure you're working inside the Wix editor on the page that has the background image you want to remove. Give the page a second to load all elements so nothing is still snapping into place. The background image we're talking about here is typically a large image that sits behind your content. Sometimes it's applied to a section or strip, and sometimes it's an image layer stretched across the page. To begin, move your cursor over the background area. You'll usually see a faint blue outline or label when the editor recognizes what you're hovering over. That visual cue helps confirm you're pointing at the background itself and not a text box or gallery sitting on top. Now, right-click directly on the background. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On some keyboards, you can also hold Control and click. This should open the Wix context menu for the item you selected. If you get your browser's menu instead, try clicking once on a truly empty part of the background and then right-click again. With the background's context menu open, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. That command removes the image layer immediately. You'll see the picture disappear and the page will reveal the underlying color, gradient, or transparency set for that section or page. Your content, like text, buttons, and galleries, stays exactly where it is, just no longer sitting on top of the old image. If the background was part of a strip or section, you'll now see that strip's default fill. If it was a full page image, you'll see your site's default background styling come through. If you click delete and something else vanished, no worries. Use undo to bring it back, then carefully hover again until the background area is highlighted before repeating the right click. If delete is not available, it often means you haven't selected the image layer itself yet. Try repositioning your cursor slightly toward the edge of the section until the highlight shows the background rather than an element on top. That's all there is to it. Right-click the background, then click delete to remove the image. A quick, clean way to simplify your design or make room for a new look without disturbing the rest of your page.